Nuclear Structure, Unit 20, Physics, Class 10th. Question 1. What is the nuclear part of an atom called? Answer: nucleus. Question 2. Which particles are found in the nucleus? Answer: protons and neutrons. Question 3. What is the charge of a proton? Answer: positive. Question 4. Which subatomic particle has number charge? Answer: neutrons. Question 5. Where are electrons located in an atom? Answer: outside the nucleus. Question 6. What is the mass number of an atom? Answer: sum of protons and neutrons. Question 7. Which force holds the nucleus together? Answer: strong nuclear force. Question 8. What is an isotope? Answer: same number of protons but different neutrons. Question 9. Which subatomic particle determines the chemical identity of an element? Answer: protons. Question 10. What is the charge of the nucleus? Answer: positive. Question 11. What happens in nuclear fission? Answer: nucleus splits. Question 12. Which element has the smallest nucleus? Answer: hydrogen. Question 13. What does the atomic number represent? Answer: protons. Question 14. Which subatomic particle has the least mass? Answer: electrons. Question 15. What is the relative mass of protons? Answer: 1 atomic mass units. Question 16. What is the time of atoms with the same atomic numbers but different mass numbers? Answer: isotopes. Question 17. What is the unit for atomic mass? Answer: atomic mass unit. Question 18. What is the main source of energy in stars? Answer: nuclear fusion. Question 19. What is the process of an unstable nucleus detecting radiation? Answer: radioactivity decay. Question 20. Which radiation has the least penetrating power? Answer: alpha. Question 21. What does the time half-life refer to? Answer: time for half of the radioactivity substance to decay. Question 22. What is the name of a positive charge ion? Answer: proton. Question 23. What is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom called? Answer: mass number. Question 24. Who discovered the nucleus? Answer: Rutherford. Question 25. Which model describes electrons in fixed orbit around the nucleus? Answer: Bohr's model. Question 26. What is the symbol for an alpha particle? Answer: He square. Question 27. Which element has the most substance nucleus? Answer: iron. Question 28. What is the approximate diameter of a nucleus? Answer: 10 power 14 meter. Question 29. Which particle is responsible for radioactive beta decay? Answer: neutrons. Question 30. What is the process of emission of gamma ray by unstable nucleus called? Answer gamma decay.